Hey guys, how's it going? Alan Zo Scale Trains here. Working on the 242 still. I got the motor all restored and rebuilt. I sanded it down using like 2000 grit wet sanding paper and cleaned it all up. Rewired it. Used cloth wiring. Redid all the wheels and polished them. Um, got both sets of those ready to go, front and back, and then took all the tender wheels, redid those, polished up everything, got my um, headlight ready here to wire up when I put it all back together. All this has been polished. There's the front end. Got the steam chest over here drying. Tender right here. Main body that I did get that rebuilt. Got the cow catcher um, rebuilt using that epoxy. Now I had this painted, but um, for some reason when I put a coat of clear coat on it, it just bubbled all up. So I've just decided to take it all the way down to bare metal. So I took it all the way down to bare metal. I'm gonna let it dry, give it a real quick light coat of primer, and then I'm gonna wet sand that and then put the gloss on it. So I'll be checking in with you guys soon. Let you know how it looks. Thanks.